What is the research? What is the term research denotes? Research. Correct? Again and again. Because given, if you read any material, IPR, article, whatever it is, first time when you read, sometimes you may understand something, or you may not understand also. So both will. Okay? Next time when you read, will you get the same experience as you got in first time reading? No. So again and again, when you read, you will be getting what? Some new kind of experience, some new kind of understanding, some new kind of knowledge. Correct? Similarly, what happens? In the research, whenever we continuously think, whenever we continuously work, what happens? We'll be exploring new things. We'll be exploring new things. Okay? To do this, in general, what we need? To do a research, what we need? Any idea? Huh? Idea then? Knowledge then? Money. Yes. Not for thinking. Money is not needed for thinking. But money is needed to carry out, to implement what you are thinking. Correct? So, generally, if you have an interest, correct? If you have an interest, you have to invest your time. You have to invest your time. Correct? So, investing time will not be a problem for us in general. Correct? Repeatedly investing your time? Generally not. Correct? But sometimes it may not happen to us immediately. Okay? But for the investing of money, it is a problem. Correct? Because somebody will be having more money, somebody will not be having. But most of us will be having more interest. And those who have interest, if you want to perform, I mean, if they want to convert their ideas into what? Some kind of development. It may be a product or it may be a process, whatever it is. They need funding. They need funding. Correct? So, who will be providing funding in general? Sometimes it may be taken from our pocket. But that is having some limitation. Correct? Otherwise, we have to approach somebody. Who will be helping for the research. Correct? Who will be helping for the research? Sponsor. Who is sponsor? Whoever will be, he become sponsor. What kind of sponsorship will be used? In general, government is sponsoring here. Okay, in this context, because we are not supposed to ask others, correct? We are eligible, we are authenticated to ask or to request or to submit a proposal regarding the research to whom? Government. Why? Why you are intended to ask or request or submit to the government? Why a government is intended to provide funding to you or to us? Why? Right to us. See, right to us, okay. It is not for our expertise, correct? So the research output will be what? For the benefit of the society. When your research is having a benefit to the societal development, of course, government has to support. Government is not going to give support for our pocket money, correct? Not to buy mobile phone or not to buy laptop. But for doing a research, you may, mobile phone may be needed or laptop may be needed. For that, government will be providing support. So, the funded research is what? Relating to developing something to be societal development. Okay? So, when we develop anything that is meant for the society, okay? Of course, it will be having a commercial value. So, our idea is how to protect, how to develop. It is an interesting domain, okay? But we should have our more interest in your patient, and we should work continuously and consistently. Because research because for the research, there is no holiday. There is no winter, there is no summer, there is no Saturday, there is no Monday like that. So all that. So every time or always work, we have to do this. There is no time limit. Even for college, we have a time limit, 9 to 3, something like that. We don't have any time for research. Okay? Fine. Next. The word intellectual means what? Relating to your ability to think and understand things, especially complicated ideas. Correct? So our idea should be what? Complex. Something which is not normal. Everybody will be doing research. So research is a kind of behavior. The thinking will be different. Creativity. What is the creativeness? Something which is not exist in general, correct? So whatever we do, that will become new things, correct? There is going to be contribution to the world, correct? So this is a kind of inventions in linguistics, as you are aware, correct? What is that? 3D printing. This is for what? Custom dental implants, bridges and crowns, and then digital impressions, laser display, intraoral cameras, artificial intelligence. So, how these inventions and innovations helping us, in your domain, how it is helping? What is the use of 3D printing? That is a technological one, correct? It uses electromechanical computing. Correct? Basically, it's a mechatronics. You are applying mechatronics for your development, for your professional development. Right? How it is helping this 3D printing? To make customized things. Correct? Correct? So, here now, suppose if you want to do something with 3D innovations, 3D printing technology, you should know about 3D printing, correct? Now you may say that as you are a dentist, correct? You are doing video. Why do I study what? 3D printing. Is it required or not? Knowing is important. Correct? Because earlier days we were focusing on generalization, but nowadays generalization is what? Specialization. Now generalization is very important. Generalization is what? Working with multiple domains. That is interdisciplinary. That knowledge is very important. So even as I am a computer engineer, I know about 3D printing, but I am not having any idea about dentistry. So in that case, what happens? Domain knowledge is needed. So your cooperation, your association with the technocrat is what? Independent. So here, the combined way, you can carry on your research. Okay? And next, digital impressions, there is a kind of things. And finally, we have artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence. The intelligence will be given by whom? By the knowledge. Yes, by the domain expert. Correct? The main purpose of artificial intelligence is not to replace the human being. Not to replace the human being. How to make use of the what? Collectively available human being knowledge in a particular domain. So that the throughput will be what? Fine. Correct? Even in medical industry, people will be going for opinion, correct? Before going for any major surgery or major treatment, people will be going for opinion. What is the reason for that? Why you suggest for opinion? I mean medical opinion. Why? How it is playing an important role? Is it needed or not? Why?
Expertise. Definition. Expert.
I mean, yes, integrating or applying several people knowledge. Why? That is opinion. How it is useful or how it is important? Every person will be having what? Certain amount of knowledge or certain kinds of knowledge. Correct? That's why in medical and legal profession we are saying practice. Correct? What do you mean practice? See, when you go for a treatment, every day you will find a new patient. Okay, every day new kind of solutions you have to apply. Okay, when you say that I have this knowledge, only I could apply this kind of practice, I mean solution or treatment. Will you do like that? Nobody will complete, correct? So, problem will be different, solution will also be different. So that every day it is what? The learning process is continuous. Okay, so that every day is what? Similarly for the applied legal also what? Problem will be different, solution also different, correct? But methodology, what is that? The basic principles remain same. But how to apply, where to apply, how much to apply, correct? Like that. Many things are there. Okay? That is what? Practice. So, is using AAPS, I mean artificial intelligence, your knowledge. I mean collectively what? Gathering the people's knowledge for the effective solution. Correct? So, this is the general product pattern. Okay. This we will see later. First. Even in the modern days, patent, I mean this IPR is having some procedures. Why we have to follow procedure? Now we have standardization for everything. Correct? So as that, I have some knowledge in this. Can I practice? Legally I am not supposed to do that. Correct? So there is a procedure. Correct? There is a system. There is a legal procedure. We have to register. Correct? For which a person is registered, he has to study. Correct? Then he has to register. Then he has to learn and he has to practice. Similarly, even for this, I mean, doing a research, everybody may have some ideas. Whether your ideas are existent or not. How do we know that? Whether our ideas are new or existent. How do we know that? We have to study. We have to report. Correct? It means what? That must be an authenticated repository. That must be an authenticated repository. Government is providing. Is that? Government is providing. Correct? So, see the intellectual sometimes it will be country oriented, sometimes it will be globally. So, after attaining some ideas, we must ensure ourselves whether it has been addressed already or not. So, we have to make what? Literature survey, right? Patent search. We call it as patent search. Okay, there is a patent database is there where we have to search. Correct? When we search, we will be getting some related information regarding our idea that we are proposing or we are trying to propose. Okay? If it is not there, then we are supposed to register. If the idea is already there, you cannot claim for ownership because already someone else claimed the ownership. Correct? So, this is a process by which we will be knowing that what? That has been already claimed for ownership. Someone has done or someone is involved. Correct? That will be known as a patent search. is a database. So for this, we have to approach several agencies. Even our government of India is also providing the database, federal database, in which we can search. Otherwise, we can approach nearby universities where we have IPR cells. Or in Tamil Nadu, State Council for Science and Technology also, there is a facility. Okay, patent facilitation center is a PFC. Or we have to approach TypePack PFC. TypePack, you know TypePack? Technological Information Forecasting Assessment Council, TypePack. So there we can approach and we can tell about the problem statement for which what they will search. That search report will be given to us. Search report will be given to us. Then we have to study the complete report. Okay? It says everything. I mean, all the information will be disclosed there. So by seeing that, by reading that, we will know what was happened earlier. Then we can have a decision. We can have a conclusion. Yes, our idea is already existing or not. If not, we can proceed further. If it is already there, we can abandon that. Because someone has done already. Correct? Or we can think in another way also. With the existing idea, what can be done newly? I mean, what can be added further? That is something called innovation. For that, invention, innovation. Both are not same. Okay? Because in all the things, we cannot expect invention. Invention is what? That is a new thing. Correct? Which is not existent. It is not discovery. Invention is different, discovery is different. Okay? Even here, in invention development, it should be new. Otherwise, we will go for innovation. Correct? Innovation in terms of several factors. Okay, it comes. Okay, in that aspect, we can proceed. The next, prove commercial viability. Okay, now you are finding that your work is new, your idea is new, which is not exist. It should have commercial scope. Right? Whether it is really needed for people or not. Because, see, when we do research, your research is focusing on what? What is needed for the people, or what is needed for the world. Correct? That you do research. The one which is not needed. We do research. We won't do this. It has no effect. Correct? It has no use. It has no purpose. So everything should have purpose. Correct? Everything should have objective. Correct? The next, submit a provisional patent application. So after finding that it is having a commercial viability or commercial scope is there, you can go for what? Patent specification. What is that? Provisional patent specification. See, provisional patent and one more patent, that is complete patent. What is the provisional certificate? Given to our accrediting state, provisional degree means what? Before getting an actual degree, we will be given provisional degree says that so and so is completed, so and so degree. Correct? Clear? That is for temporary effect. That is needed for long time. Correct? After getting complete certification, provisional will be what? Income. That is not needed. Correct? Similarly, here also what? See, the nature of the world is, in a particular domain, several people will be simultaneously thinking. They have an idea about this. See, the world is created by this. If I am thinking on certain things, people, person from same country or other places of the world will be what? Having the same thing, correct? Simultaneously. So, one who is registering earlier will be awarded. Correct? Everything has to be registered. Even in our exam writing, what happens? You may be knowing the answer of the question, but if you are not delivering it, how do others will be doing? Alright? How will be evaluated? So we may be doing, but it has to be delivered. Unless we deliver it, it will not be known to others as we know these things. Correct? Similarly here, after getting an idea, once we find that nowhere is existence, then immediately you have to register yourself about the research, about the use, what is a new thing, correct everything. That is having a valid period of 1 year. That is having a valid period of 1 year. Within that time, others are not allowed to register in this domain. I mean, what you are proposing, nobody is allowed to register. So that kind of protection is what? Given to you. If you don't register, and if you keep on thinking and doing something, because no use. So after getting an idea, immediately you perform research. If you identify your work is doing, then you have to go for provisional specification. That will not take more than 1,000 rupees. You need 1,000 rupees for that. Okay? Even that does not require complete detail about your infection or innovation or whatever it is. Okay? So you have to give it in a nutshell. Even for that, if you are not able to perform, you can of course Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology Patent Presentation Center. For them, you will pay 500 rupees only. Okay? And the fee will be around 1,000 rupees. You have to pay. Okay, that provisional registration is having a valid period of 1 year of time. Within that 1 year of time, you have to develop, you have to continue our research. You have to deliver something which is having now only or in whatever it is. Correct? And that should be registered as a complete registration or complete specification. And for the complete specification, fee only around 60,000 rupees you have to pay. But here, there are some logics are there. Even our legal institution. Both is what directly we can argue, correct? As a person who is involved in the case, okay, either of the side, you can directly what? Allowed to argue. But the procedures which is being followed in legal institution may not be known to us. So that we have to what? Appoint an appropriate and effective advocate. Correct? Am I right? Similar to that, in IPR also, we have to what? Associate with one patent attorney. It's a patent attorney. Okay. We have patent attorney. We have to pay more in general. Because it involves several logical sequences. Everything has to be taken care of by that. Otherwise, if you want to experience yourself, it takes time actually. Already this IPR is a time consuming process. Even for the examination, when you write an examination after 2 or 3 months, maximum 3 months, 3 months you will be getting the result. Correct? For this IPR, you won't get it like that. It's a time consuming process. It may take minimum 5 to 6 years of time. Okay? For main patent, actually 2 patents have been awarded to me. For my first patent, it took 7 years. For the second patent also, nearly 6.5 years of time. So such a time consuming process. Correct? We should have confidence and patience with that. Correct? It is not just like that. Because everything is having competition and everything is having a legal value. So we have to pay for it. So if any mistakes we do, again prolong it. Correct? Time will be what? Elongated. Instead of 6 years, it will take 8 years. Correct? So it will not be useful. So that we have to associate with the patent, good patent attorney. Okay? And submit detailed, detail-oriented, thoroughly patent application. Okay? And moreover, what your demand is a medical thing, correct? Just like that, you cannot what? Add your thinking. It has to be experienced, correct? Experimented. You should have a proof, correct? You should have evidence, everything clearly. Without that, just like the poem writing, you are not supposed to do that. Correct? Because medical is what? Highly crucial. Okay? So that obtaining a patent in medical also what? Is written. So that's why even in engineering, medical electronics is there. Electronics, medical electronics. In medical electronics, what happens? When we are developing a product, I mean medical devices, it should have more accuracy. Correct? But the normal electronics, what happens? You can see, can work sometimes, it may work, sometimes it cannot work. Nothing is. Going to be a case of problem. But for the medical electronics, it is going to play with human life. Correct? Or any living being life. So that accuracy is what? Very important. Failure rate should be what? Very negligible. Correct? Okay. Next. Choosing a patent. Dental patents are what here? Very complex. Okay, to make sure your intellectual property is what? Protected, and to work with expert attorneys is highly important. Because, see that what the attorneys will be doing is, they won't generate ideas. They will be consuming our ideas only. But our ideas have to be transformed in a legal way. We are not having idea about legal. Correct? Most of us. Okay? So regarding the patent, how it has to be even through a word. Technically, how the words has to be described. That is very important. So that part will be taken care by patent attorneys. Patent attorneys will be around a lakh in general. Minimum they will charge 1 lakh for a patent. Okay? Initially, when you file, when you go for file, or when you take up your patent for processing, they will charge 50,000. After that, you will have first examination report, second examination report, during those times and all, you have to pay. Okay? Like that. But now, when there is a question, see, since it is very costly, how it is possible? Because these people are not rich, or e-letters. Those who are doing research may not be having money. That is the general phenomenon. Somebody will be having money and they will be doing research, that is different. But one who is not having money, our people without money, they are able to go to research, but they are unable to go for IPR. Okay? In that case, what kind of bill, what kind of support is given by our government? Do you know? Is there any support? Government is extending a support. It may not be known to us. There are some supports like Patent Facilitation Center, TFC. They are the main agency for the whole country. Okay? Technology Information Forecasting Assessment Council, they have TFC, Patent Facilitation Center. They will be running centers statewide. Right? Through them, they are providing some kind of support. When I got one patent support through TFC, even I didn't pay single rupee for that. Government has paid nearly a lakh. Okay? But will they extend their support to everyone? The support will not be extended to everyone. Your work, your research contribution should have that much social and societal usefulness or impact. That they will validate with a team of experts. The team of experts has to agree upon your IPR proposal. Then they will be appointing a trusted patent attorney. Thereafter, even for that, will be given an order. Okay, patent filing order will be given by Government of India. It doesn't mean that it will be given a patent. That is the patent filing. The patent is government will support panadu. They will be fixing what patent attorney. Okay, through the we will prepare a patent documents. They will assist us. Okay, we will be providing the technical data. They will be converting the technical data with the legal grounds. And in that, client is playing a vital role. Client is very, very important. Client is, upon the research contribution, you will be saying that some of the significance which are unique. Okay? It is nowhere exists as of now. So that is nothing but client. According to the clients also, the key will be determined. Up to some 6 or 12 clients, they cannot increase. When your number of clients are increasing and extended, you have to pay more amount. So the number of clients determines what? Your legal values, your protection. How you are going to protect your research contribution. That is what? Depending upon the client. Okay, so the patent attorney will be what? Helping us in making or preparing the client. Correct? So like that. So in terms of the key terms, we are going to see about meaning of IP, purpose of IP, types of IP, law which governs IP. See that regarding the type of IP, we have trademark, patents, copyrights, design, geographical indications. These are the 5 kinds of what? IPR. IPR values can be of these. First is what actually? Trademark. Trademark, one who wants to perform trading and business. In a business, people how to protect their business in terms of their name, in terms of their logo. Correct? Can we use Amazon name or Amazon logo for our business? Is it possible? Amazon are registered their business with their included name with some logo. Even the logo will have appropriate colors, shading. Correct? So that is coming in a trademark. So if you want to do business, here this trademark how it is going to help you. So you are running your business in the near future. So by that time, your clinic has to be named in an exclusive way. So you can name your business. Okay? You will opt to name. That name will not be used or proposed by others. Once it is protected through trademark. Name, some logos, some text, colors, all those things will come to this trademark. So, in the business point of view, it is playing a vital role. Okay, trademark. And for each you need to pay a much amount. Okay, and your technical input is very less. Okay, so everybody can have a registered trademark. Good will be correct? They can be a scientist, correct? They can be an engineer. But to protect the business, these are the methods. Okay, IPR values are important. The next patent. Here, the only research contribution is coming. Patents. Okay. The next, what? Copyrights. Regarding our writings and all are these. And here also, the amount of investment is very less, very low. Only for the patents, you have to pay much. Because that is having more commercial value. Because utility will be more. When the utility is more, the value will be more. So when the value is more, obviously we have to spend more for that. Okay? Designs. Designs value less legal value. Designs related to shape, dimension, color. Okay, all this. What is the length? What is the height? Okay, which color is applied? Even for certain product, a unique color will be used. That unique color will not be used by others. Okay, for colors we can protect it. Such things will be coming under designs. That is industrial designs. Okay, even for that we have to pay just 1,000 rupees only. Last week also I got the design arrived. You have to pay 1,000 rupees to the government every year. Okay. Then to whom you are, your agency is supporting you, you have to pay some minimal amount. But government of Tamil Nadu is supporting for us. We have to pay 500 rupees per day. So totally by spending 1,500 rupees, we are about to what? 5 design files. It takes some 6 months to 7 months. If there is any query is there to be posted and you have to clarify that, then will be certified. I got one design right, I will show you how the certificate will have to be. Correct? So it is a easiest way, but that is not having huge commercial value. And also legal value also very less. Here the legal value is more to whom? Patent. So patent among the IPR, patent is what? High value. Okay? Because it is having what? Huge value for the commercial. See now, there is an agreement between all the countries. Okay, regarding this patent. Okay, some patent will be what specific to a particular country. Some patent will be what international patents. Correct? And somebody will be what having a patent in their country, but they want to do the business in our country. That is also possible. See here we go. Okay, they are intellectual property rights like any other property right. The other creators are owners of patents, trademarks, or copyright works to benefit from their own work or investment creation. And it is what intangible creation. IPR is what intangible. Otherwise, what happens? Everybody will make it happen. Correct? So that is very important. Here laws are very important. The World IP Organization, that is what we call it. It's a global forum for IP services, policy, information, and cooperation. So every country has to adhere to that. Correct? So like standard. There is another IPR. It's trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. Okay. The types of IPR basically classified into what categories? What is that? Industrial property and copyright. Under the industrial category, use of inventions, trademarks, industrial design, and geographical indications. Geographical indications, which is related to the products which are available in one particular territory, like can you silk, can you linen, like that. Mat means what? Points, fine, particularly silk mat is there in Pathanadu. Silk mat is there. Okay. So in particular occasions, people will be using that. So every place has its own what significant of products. Okay, that has to be protected. Correct. So if people are having carnival since being manufactured in other area, so that affects the what livelihood of carnival people. So their livelihood has to be protected. Here it is not to protect a single man or a single business, for a community. That for a community protection, we have this geographical indication. See, generally, patent is what a person can vote only for first 20 years. After that, it is open to the community. Okay? And we have to renew it. We have to renew it. Okay? For every year, we have to renew it. If we are not renewing, what happens? That patent grant becomes dormant. That is available to the common public. If we are renewing it for 20 years, it is possible up to 20 years only. After 20 years, it is for the common people. Okay? Like that. Also, you patent value. Okay? That's piece paper invalid. Invalid means what? It is available to everyone. Okay? So the laws which are related to IPR. And for patent, like we have patent Act 1970 and its amendment 2005. Similarly for Design Act 2000. For patent 1999. Okay, 1999. The GA again 1999. Layout designs. When we do PCB, circuit designs, and that protection is all governed by 2000. So every kind of patent is having its own law. Okay, so we have to abide with that law. Okay, actually, law and generally we are not aware of law. That's why patent attorney association is very, very important. If you have money, you can pay for it when you do business. Okay, being a student, we don't have money, right? I need the money to spend for it, even for research. For acquiring research also, we can get grant from government. Once you identify that your research contribution is highly needed to society and is having a commercial value, you can take the help from government. Okay? You need to spend even a single amount from your pocket. Only thing that you have to think, you have to work. Correct? First thing. See that this is a sample I am showing you. Application encouragement development of electronic hardware generator for application. Issued by whom? Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council. I said, right? Issued Saveetha EHC services for governing this patent presentation. Okay, this is the order which will be issued. Okay, see that it is issued me. Actually, after 2013, I was not doctorate for you. Actually, wrong is, but I was doing doctorate. Okay, see that this is the institution where I go. Okay, next to meet this address, another one to the patent attorney. Mohan Associates in Chennai. Okay, in Canada, they are running that business. Okay, so I have been directed to meet now. They took care. Suppose personally, I mean, privately, if I would have done, I would have spent more than a lakh because patent was granted. It is having a commercial value. Okay, our government has paid for this. Only thing that I contributed my knowledge and my research thinking to the society. Like that, everyone has to think. So there is a possibility, there is a scope. Okay, everything is possible. Okay, we have to do our work properly and we have to approach the right people in right time. Okay, because right time is very, very important. If you think and if you are not reducing yourself, it becomes what? It will be climbed by someone. So one who is climbing first, very, very important. Okay, and they will be awarded. So this is the patent filing order, not patent order. After this was issued in 2023. Then I got patent in 2022. How many years? 9 years of time. I'm running 50 years. Okay? So 20% of my life was spent in obtaining a single patent. Think of it. It is such a time consuming. But it is having a commercial value. After 10 years of time, you can have your own business. You can have your own product. With that, you can do something in the society. You can develop something. You can benefit of it. Correct? Clear? See that? It was the patent filing order was obtained March 4, 2013. Correct? And after filing, I got the intimation. For the final hearing, this was a communication sent by Mohan Associates. Okay? So for how many years I have contact, I have a link with them? Every 8 years. Correct? So if you are approaching normal people, today they will be there. Tomorrow we don't know. So that what? Approaching an appropriate or valid pattern again is very, very important. Correct? So they should have their own business. Okay, they should be valid people. Next, this is a pattern. Okay, it was 2021 years, that is after the election announcement. 2 days or 3 days, I got it. Okay, so patent filing I got it. Patent file, there was a process because after the filing a patent, it will be published. Because your idea has to be exposed to the world. No one should object. Why? If somebody objects, they are working on the same domain. Correct? If you get an objection, you have to clarify those objections. You have to prove yourself that yours is new. Yours is having invention. Correct? Then only you will be given what? Patent. Even in the publication after that, they will be expecting some objection. That is a process. Maybe for 1 year or 2 years of time, they will be waiting. Maybe patent. Okay? Or maybe India is waiting. During that time, if you get any objection, that objection will be forwarded to you. You are allowed to clarify those objections. Otherwise, the examiner himself will have objection. They will be seeking some clarification from you, such based on previous patterns. That will be given as first examination report. Okay? After getting a first examination report, we have to make a reply within 6 months of time. So whatever they are given, for each and every statement, you are supposed to clarify yourself. There is like this, and it's not like that. You have to prove technically. With this clarification, if they got satisfaction, sometimes you will be given patent grant. Otherwise, again they will go for second examination report. Again, you have to what? Perform and submit second examination report reply within 6 months of time. After that, they will take 1 year or 2 years of time. Sometimes, even with the second examination report, if they are not, convinced, you will be called for interview. Okay, there is argument, not interview, argument. As a court, hearing is there, right? So hearing will be there. There is an objection, opposite person also will be there. There is no objection. The examiner will be questioning you. You have to clarify. Correct? Then, finally, be awarded to you if the examiner is convinced. Otherwise, I can find your disco, rejected. Is that simply rejected? The final step will be either rejected or granted. Not approved, granted. So, you granted after getting a grant. What happens? We have to review it. Then, it is like a commercial value. If you want, you can have your own business. If it is a product or something like that. Otherwise, if you want to sell it to someone, it is also possible. Technology transfer. That is what is what? Technology transfer. Because as a dentist, you are developing something. But in future, you may not do, develop a product. Instead of that, you may transfer your technology, what you have acquired through the patent, that will be transferred, then you can acquire money. Even for transferring the technology also, government has established an organization that is known as NRDC, National Research Development Corporation. Using that, you can approach. You may say that I have this technology, I have a patent for this. This is only a commercial liability. Can we transfer this? Then they will find the appropriate people. With them, you may have a negotiation and you will be given a money. After that, the technology will be transferred. Then you cannot claim. Otherwise, after 20 years, it goes to everyone. Anyone can access your contribution. Because after 20 years, what happens? The technology will be absolutely different. Correct? Because nowadays, what happens? Technologies are coming up in a rapid manner. Seriya, it is such a rapid technology. But earlier this was not right because nowadays we are all connected. Everywhere we are connected. So everything is what exchangeable. Everything is what could be transferred easily and effectively. Okay? And this is another question. Okay? Second question. This I passed during 2016 and just 2 months back only I got the patent grant. This I did again support from Government of India. I approached from India. I spent nearly 50,000 because that particular attorney is well known to me, so that she charged low fee. Okay? So suppose if I have found an actual amount, I would have paid more than I have. Okay? This is a design certification. This I got it during 2004. I didn't have any idea about this because I was selling my product to the society. You know about societies, cooperative societies? So handloom cooperative societies are there in Kanpur. I was selling my own product, which is named as a jackpot punching card machine. So when I was selling, that one society secretary, special officer, he was looking for some IPR values. We have patent or something like that. Or designs. I told him I tried. Then I was studying about all those things. So in a quick time manner, we could get this design from it. So that I applied this, I got it. Within 6 months of time. That is also having a value. This is related to dimension, that is high to weight, length, all those things, and colors, give weight also. We consider as one of the parameters for the design. Okay? So like that, even when you design artificial, then for that weight can also be measured, right? Weight with what? Reliability. Weight, reliability, durability, many factors, and costing. These factors may be considered for your designing purpose. Okay? This is a see, this is a diagram. Okay? I approach Department of Scientific Industrial Research. To an individual man, obtaining a grant is a crucial process. To an organization, it is so easy because they are having a trust. How a government agency or how an agency will trust a single person? Generally, it is difficult. Right? But even in our government system, there is a method by which a single person can acquire money. Qualification is not so important. Okay? Generally, what happens when we go for engineering technical funding, we should be a doctorate or something like that. Okay? But for this, it's not like that. Even being a student, you can approach this scale. DSA, Department of Scientific Industrial Research, under the PRISM. PRISM stands for Promoting Research in Individuals, MSMEs, and Startups. Anybody can approach. Out of 100, 100% of the project component, 90% will be funded by the government as a grant, no reimbursement. The balance 10% we have to pay. So here the project cost was 12.42. I paid 2 lakhs something. Government has given 10 lakhs to me. The project period was 1 year of time. I finished the project successfully. I got the patent also. This is a patent order. Okay? See, these are the credits as a single person. We are able to get but funding amount. After getting a funding amount, what we have to do? We have to do something in the society. Correct? We have to contribute. It may be a product or it may be a process whatever. That has to be patented. Why? Our knowledge, our intellectual has to be protected because it is having a commercial value. Because these funding will not be given to simply. Only when it is having a value, okay, social implications, that will be provided. Correct? It is applicable to you also. So, as a student, you can go for DSIR prison. I will show you that proposal. Can you make a note of it? DSIR prison. Like that, will be only, but you are not good. Do you think that it is not here? Idea? Maybe not easy. But if you think, you can do. Okay? You can have a benefit of that. When you do research, it is not just a hobby, maybe a hobby, but not just time passing. You are spending your precious time. Because of the precious time, society has to be benefited, and you will also be benefited. Correct? The primary goal is what? Towards the societal development, not personal development. When the society is developing, we will also be benefited. Am I right? Clearly, number one benefit is society benefit. But society benefit is because we are part of the society. Correct? That's okay. And another thing, once if you have a patent, how will you commercialize? For that, a new scheme, already there are schemes, a new scheme which has been introduced recently, that is known as technology validation and what? Commercialization program. He lands as a grant to start your business. When you have a patent and it is having a commercial value and it is having a social usefulness, you are eligible. Correct? That kind of support is being rendered from our government. Okay? I am also planning to apply for this because already I have 2 patents. I have a commercial plan also. Okay? So you can also try in your near future. Okay? So that is part of the National Research Development Corporation, NRDC. Just I am showing here sample application. You able to see this? This I submitted, I think 2014. Okay? See that title and name of the application. These are all well-known to you, correct? The important components under profession. See that here, there will be also doctor, scientist, housewife, student, farmer, any other. Correct? யார் வேணாலும் போகலாம். உண்மையிலே சொல்றேன், இந்த ஸ்கீம் மாதிரி ஒரு சூப்பர் ஸ்கீமே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா in other schemes and all, only what? Highly studied, highly qualified people will be looking for qualified people only. But here from the grass, we can get a chance. Okay? So anybody can apply. you can get it. Where it is having a what? Social usefulness and commercial value. In the you will get it. It is such a wonderful scheme. The name itself PRISM, right? Promoting research in individuals, startups, and MSMEs. Promoting innovations in individuals, startups, and MSMEs. So, as a student, you can try. You have to mention all this information. Okay? Then you have to write about the working idea, I mean system architecture. Here, according to my work, I propose system architecture. Similarly, you may also specify according to your domain what you want to do. Then, description of science behind innovation. What is the science behind innovation? Right? What kind of biological or physical innovations? I mean, science is there. Because for your domain, it is having what? Material science also, correct? Biological science also. Everything is there as part of it. So you have to integrate all those things. Then, technology. Actually, pattern search. I said it is correct, pattern search. When you start doing research, before making a patent filing, you have to ensure that your work is new. How do we know that it is new? By doing a patent search. So, by acquiring details of the existing patent, you have to compare your work with others' work, so that you will be knowing or identifying yourself as your work is what? New. So, that is what? Patent search. So, here are the patents. See here for my work. The patent number is PS code 4028 like that. So I have incorporated several patents. Then technological challenges in design and prototype manufacture based on innovative skill. Okay, what kind of skill that we have based on that? What are the challenges will be encountered? What I mentioned actually, the innovator has adequate qualification and the experience in the field of engineering. We should be helped to design and prototype manufacture and complete this project. Such a confident level I have it that I mentioned. Similarly, you have to project yourself. Okay? That is very important. Always budget is playing an important role. Correct? Our work should be cost effective. Correct? It should not be what? Implies huge cost. When it is not having any economy, who will buy that? Nobody will buy that. It should have reliability, it should have durability, it should have what? Economy. Economy is always playing an important role in any product. Because you will find more consumers where it is economic. Correct? See that R&D design chart, engineering consultancy. For engineering consultancy, you do not need. You can appoint or you can approach any engineer or one who is doing consultancy or engineering activities. Okay? Then rental charges. And some of the components you may not have it. You may be renting it while doing a research. So that rental charge for it implies. Then essential equipment that cannot be purchased or it cannot be taken on rent. Sorry, it cannot be taken on rent. Then you have to purchase it. You have to buy it. Okay, for which also they will provide. See that? For which how much they provided? 3,50,000 they provided. See, even they didn't inspect me. I mean, whether I purchased or they only looking for the result. Once we have the result, they won't suspect us. Nothing was inspected. They treated me as a scientist. Okay, even for some of the projects I got funding from NABARD. The NABARD CTL came to my place, and because NABARD is basically a banking proposal, they will give for accounts from it. But we said to all the people that CTL told all the people that, see, now we are in scientist place. We are not supposed to ask any accounts and all here. We are about to see only its invention, how it is useful to the society. In the same way, I was treated by a scientist. His name was Mr. M.K. Gupta. That is the okay. See that? Again, next fabric. Manpower. Sometimes you may deploy, you may recruit some human resource for accomplishing the task. Salary has to be paid. Okay? So that salary amount. Then testing trials. Then travel. Patent filing they given only 20,000 rupees. But I spent more than 50,000 rupees. I took care. Because they won't give patent attorney fee about here. They will give only charge patent fees from it. So finally what happened? 11 lakh 10,000. Their contribution. That is government India contribution. That 1 lakh 32 was my contribution. The total project cost was 12.42 lakh. Next, we have to attach quotation. Okay, the equipment that we are planning to procure, we have to specify the quotation. Then activity. Okay, total timeline will be given to us. That will not be given by the as a scientist or as an engineer. We have to fix the time because for our research, who will be fixing the time? Nobody could fix the time. So we have to fix our time. Correct? So timeline we have to specify. In first 6 months, what I am supposed to do. Next 3 months, what I am supposed to do. Okay, like that. And for which, what is the amount that I need during that period of time? That is a budget. So budget is one with respect to the time constant. Okay? I have proposed. The same way you can also propose. That end product, finally, what would be the output of this research? That you have to say. Then innovations benefit to the society. That is very, very important. Okay, what is the usefulness to the society? Because of our research. Then any other information are there, please. In your field. I specified some of the fields in my domain, engineering domain, specifically in the dentistry or some technological background, you can propose on other fields. Then declaration and recommendations. This part will be filled by the TOCS. Okay, outreach center. For me, Padmavati Mahila University is there, correct, in Tirupati. I approached them. Through them only, I submitted this proposal. They appointed two experts. They got the opinions about this project from the experts. Based on the experts' review comments, it was submitted to Ministry of Science and Technology. And no objection certificate. Suppose if you are working for some institution, you have to get the NOC. But the amount will not go to the institution. Amount will come to the innovator. One who is doing research. This is a pattern by the evaluation of the domain knowledge experts. They used to create. It won't come to us actually. I submitted 19/3/2014. I got patent for this on 2023 July. Okay. So that how many years? 9 years. Nearly. So going for IPR is not a single day work. It is a time consuming. We should have real effort. Okay, we have to. Most of the funded research projects are having commercial values. Okay, and for which we will be seeking funding from government agencies, so that we have to approach the appropriate agency for the funding. After that, the work has to be perfectly done. Then we have to go for IPR. We have to get it. After filing an IPR, we can start our business. But before filing an IPR, nothing should be disclosed. Correct? Because if we disclose anything, what happens? It will be known to others. Correct? So we cannot have a client. So after developing this product, I met him, I explained about this product, and I asked him to test this product and to give a report upon that. Okay, so he, assigned two officers, technical officers, to test this product. Okay, and he has given a good certificate, recommendation certificate about this product. Yes, it is useful to the society. Like that. So now, if I go for any further funding to do business, I can attach that certificate along with the patent. Okay, so that it will have some credit. Like that, our work should have credit. Okay, so through IPR or by IPR is very important. Along with that, in addition to that, we should have recommendation from expert member also. Okay. Then, if you want to do any kind of invention, you will be facing a problem for funding. So, funding there are several schemes, out of which reserve is one of the versatile scheme. You will have more scope in obtaining funding, so you can approach. So this is a funding, proposal submission. Nothing is complex, very simple format. You can prepare and you can submit. Okay, but only thing is you have to work. After that, you should go for IPR. For IPR also, you need not to spend any amount. You can approach TICA PFC. They are providing 100% support, monetary support for patent filing up to the patent grant. Okay, once you got the patent grant, you can transfer your technology to the industry, or you can go for business. For that, TVDC program also there under National Research Development Corporation. Up to 50 lakh, not 50 lakh, 100 lakh will be given as a grant. Okay, 1 crore. Okay, so there are many scopes. And one more thing, if you develop something and if you want to sell it in our e-market, government e-market, GEM is there. There if you post, you will be given chance to sell your product. You can appear for the, tenders and that. But anyhow, it is beyond your scope. So, but you know that, but you can assist others to do this. Once you develop something, though you are not directly doing a business, you will be letting others to do it, correct? So you can guide others. So that's why I said that. Anyhow, so thanks for giving this opportunity. If you have any further, any help or assistance is